wikirite wagagu na kimako kaunti-ini ya Mandera thutha wa mbiraru cia bururi wa Jubaland kuingira Kenya na gutua bururi uyu giikaro kiao. Kuratinda mbiraru cia bururi wa Shumari undu uria Ngabana Ali Roba augite utumite aikari kwambiriria guthama niguo kurira haro.
Raia wametoroka manyumbani kwao katika Mandera town.
Some work is going on. No one has got cause to worry. We met with all the leaders of Northeastern region in the country last week.
Thutha wa tharikira ya mwambiririo wa kiumia giki, thirikari ya kaunti arauga mundu umwe niakuire na angĩ 11 marahonia nguraro cia rithathi.
Wamepigana na hiyo mapigano yameweza kufanyika katika boda yetu hapo Mandera na ndani ya age ya Mandera pamoja na Bulhawa, na watu 11 wakajeruhiwa, mmoja wao amekufa akiwa hospitali.
You know, in the security sector, the rule of thumb is this: when an operation is going on, you don't make sideline comments. So you wait until the decisions are made and the actions are concluded.
Ngabana Roba augite guthie na mbere guikara kwa mbiraru icio bururi-ini kwaya gucungiriria gwitikirira kwa haro gatagati ka mbiraru cia Somalia na Jubaland thiini wa bururi wa Kenya.
Na kwa sababu wanaopigana sio wa Kenya, ni watu ambao wametoka katika sehemu zingine za Somalia, tunataka kuomba serikali yetu kuu kuweza kuhakikisha mambo ya Somalia na shida zao na kupigana kwao yaweze kupelekwa Somalia.
We are a responsible government and we are focusing on the security of our people. That is all I can say for now. I don't want to go beyond there because there is some work that my colleagues, the heads of the security agencies, are doing, and I do not want to second guess them or to begin commenting while that work is going on.
Haranio gatagati ga thirikari nene ya Somalia na Jubaland iraumanire thutha wa Ngabana wa Jubaland kwaga kuiguana na president wa Somalia na gutwarira mbiraru cia Somalia gutharikira mbiraru cia Jubaland mwaka-ini wa Kenya na Somalia, haro iria iraingirire kinyagia Kenya. Gikoretwo gikiumia kimwe gia aikari akaunti ya Mandera kwagagio thutha wa mbiraru cia Shumari kuingira bururi-ini wa Kenya, undu uria thirikari ya akaunti ya Mandera yugite no mwaka thirikari nene icokie mbiraru icio bururi-ini wao. Ribotera Inoro TV yetagwo muitiriri wa Wangari.